Now, today we will discuss how to create a maintenance view. The purpose of creating maintenance view is to allow user to maintain, create, change, delete table data in a user-friendly way. We can say in simple word, instead of updating table directly, you create a maintenance view that generates a screen through which user can easily maintain the data. This avoid giving direct access to the database table. So main purpose of creating a maintenance view are data maintenance, multiple table handling, security and consistency, and transport friendly. Because maintenance views create for user maintenance, user update, to maintain database view and use for read only. So how to create a maintenance view, let's discuss. So first go on TCode SE11, create, give the custom. We are creating a custom maintenance view. That's why the first click is to be start with Z or Y, Z maintenance first. Click on create, select the choose data type, that is maintenance view. Its name is too long. No. Then give a short description. Now here you need to give a table name. I am giving EKKO and establish a relationship with EKKO. Click on relationship. Here select with whom you want to establish a relation. I am establishing with EKKO and EKPO. EKKO is a header, EKPO is an item table. Automatically all the keys are CAM, that is primary key, who also present in EKKO and also present in EKPO. So it automatically establish a relation. Go on view field tab. Select the field, go on table field, select EKKO, whatever the field you want to select. I am selecting these fields, just copy it. Now again go, select the EKPO, choose. I am selecting this field, now copy it. After that, save it and activate it. Now go on utilities, table maintenance generator, copy the table view name. First select the authorization group, that is this one, ampersand NC ampersand. In place of function group, you can give the same as table view name. Select one step, give one. There's a difference between one step and two step, we'll tell you later. Click on create, save. Now your maintenance view is created. Go on TCode SM30 to see a maintenance view. Click on edit. See, whatever the field we have selected in maintenance view, that field is CAM. So we create a maintenance view. From here only we can perform the CRUD operation. There is no coding required when we create a maintenance view. This is the reason that we create a maintenance view and we see a maintenance view in a TCode SM30 easily. From here only through the TCode SM30 we can do create, update and insert and delete in our table. In this way we will create a maintenance view. First you need to select a table, then establish a relation. After that, go on utility, select table maintenance generator, give the authorization group, function group, step, click on create. After that, go on SM30 TCode and you can perform the CRUD operation. That's all about today. We will discuss the more things in further class. Thank you.